Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is three-dimensional shapes, lesson number 11.1, page 522. Okay, guys, today we're gonna talk about 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. What is the meaning of three-dimensional shapes? It's shapes, we find it around us, but we can't touch it, okay? Previously, we learned in the previous years about the 2D shapes like circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. But now we're gonna learn about 3D shapes. What is the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes? 3D shapes, we can hold it in our hands. As example, I have here the first shape is a cube. Cube, it's like a little box, okay? It's like a gift box, or if we're gonna buy a new shoes, we're gonna find it in a box like a rectangular prism. And we have sphere. Sphere is like a ball. Sphere is like a ball. And I have cylinder. Cylinder, actually, it's very similar to our pencil cases or to our bottles. And I have here a cone. Cone, it's like a birthday hat or a party hat. So I have cube, rectangular prism, sphere, cylinder, and cone. So again, cube, rectangular prism, sphere, cylinder, and cone. Now, which of these objects has shape of a cube? Cube, guys, which one is the cube? Yes, the first one. Now here he wants me to circle the object that matches the shape name. I want sphere. Sphere, it's like a ball. So where is it? Yes, here it is. Now cube, guys, careful. He's saying cube, not rectangular prism. Cube, here it's a little box. And I'm sure that you know what is the meaning of cube. Now we will move on to the next page. I need you to circle the object that matches the shape name. I need you to solve number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then check your answers with me. The first one is cylinder. Where is it? Yes, the first one. Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, actually I have this one and I have this one. So I have two shapes. Now cone, guys, cone, think of ice cream cone or a party hat, birthday hats. Okay, so I have also two shapes. Now cube, where is the cube? Yes, here it is. Now guys, number 7, circle the shapes that have a curved surface. Draw an X on the shapes that do not have curved surface. Curved surface means like a circle. Okay, so I'm gonna circle the shapes that have a curved circle. So obviously sphere, and I have here also cone. The base of the cone is in the shape of a circle. Okay, now draw an X on the shapes that do not have a curved surface, like rectangular prism and cube. Now, do I have a curved surface on the cylinder? Yes, I have. So I'm gonna circle it. Now let's move on to the next page. A wrapper traced around the bottom of each block. Match each block with the shape wrapper draw. Okay, guys. She traced the bottom of each shape. Okay, I have here rectangular prism. If I trace the bottom of it, it will be like the surface of it. So who can tell me what shape that we have here? Yes, a rectangle. So I'm gonna match it with the rectangle. Now how about cylinder? Yes, circle. And how about cube, guys? Yes, cube, square. Now, I'm sure that you can solve number 9, so solve it and check your answers with me. Now match the shapes. I have here cube, cone, cylinder, and sphere. So cube, where is the cube that I have here? Yes, it's here. How about cone? Yes, it's ice cream cone. And cylinder? Yes, it's like a can. And sphere, like a ball. Since our lesson today is super easy, so we're gonna take another lesson. It's very small also. It's like 2 pages only. It's called Attributes of Three-Dimensional Shapes, lesson 11.2, page 525. In page 525, he wants me to circle the cone and draw an X on the sphere. Okay, circle the cone. Where is the cone? Yes, I have it here. Cone. Think about ice cream cone or birthday hats. Draw X on sphere. Sphere means ball. Sphere means ball. So here it is. Okay guys, we'll move on to the next page and it's our last page for today. He's talking more about 3D shapes. Okay, 3D shapes, it has 3 things. It consists of 3 things. What is this? Face, edge, and vertex. Face, like the one that we have here inside it. It's called the face. And edges, the black lines, it's called edges. And vertex, the pointing edge or corners. Okay, vertex is considered as a corner. Okay, so I have faces, edges, and vertices. If I have only one corner, it's called a vertex. If I have more than one corner, it's called vertices. And the face of a cube are squares, as you can see. Now, how can I know it? Look guys, I will tell you something. Cube and rectangular prism are best friends. Cube and rectangular prism are best friends. They have the same number of faces, edges, and vertices. They have the same number of faces, edges, and vertices, but they only have one difference. The rectangular prism, from its name, in the face of a rectangle, and cube is in the face of square. Now, how can I know how many faces and how many edges and how many vertices? Let's see, I have a shape in front of me. Let's count how many faces. Have 1, 2, and I have it here, 3, 4, 5, and the bottom one, 6. So I have 6 faces. And how many edges? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many vertices? Let's erase the drawing that we did already. Vertices means corners, so let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now cube. How many faces? Look, let's count. 1, 2, 3, and I have one here, 4, 5, and the bottom one is 6. So I have 6 faces. And I have how many edges? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, how many vertices? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have 8 vertices. As you can see, as I told you before, rectangular prism and cube are best friends. They have the same number of faces, edges, and vertices. They have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. That's it, guys, for today. Hope you understand the lesson. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.